Top 28 common collocations used at the restaurant.
Before start. Prepare a pen and a notebook.
Make a reservation.
Place an order. Check the menu. Try the special. Choose from the menu. Cook to order. Serve the food. Takeout orders. Recommend a dish. Request a table. Serve the appetizers. Taste the soup. Order dessert. Enjoy a meal. Pour the wine. Savor the flavor. Praise the presentation. Ask for the bill. Pay the bill. Clear the table. Sip the coffee. Thank the waiter. Leave a tip. Wrap the leftovers. Discuss the experience. Give a review. Express gratitude. Reflect on the meal.
Practice time.
Is it necessary to make a reservation in advance for a table? I'd like to place an order of the chef's special. Have you had a chance to check the menu to see what's available? The waiter recommended that I try the special of the day. You have many options to choose from the menu, so take your time. Our chef can cook to order if you have any dietary restrictions. Could you recommend a dish that pairs well with the grilled chicken? May I request a table for two by the window, please? The waiter will serve the appetizers as a starter before the main course. Please taste the soup before serving it. Would you like to order dessert after your main course? We really enjoyed a meal during our visit to the restaurant. May I pour the wine for you, or would you like to do it yourself? Take your time to savor the flavor of the dish. Not only is the taste exquisite, but the presentation is also impressive. Excuse me, could we ask for the bill? We're finished with our meal. When you're ready to leave, you can pay the bill at the front counter. Once everyone is done eating, the server will come to clear the table. Don't forget to sip the coffee slowly, it's quite hot. Before leaving, remember to thank the waiter for the excellent service. It's customary to leave a tip as a token of appreciation. Can we wrap the leftovers to take home from our meal? After dining, it's nice to discuss the experience with your companions. Would you be willing to give a review of the restaurant online? As you leave, don't forget to express gratitude to the staff for the wonderful evening. It's nice to reflect on the meal after trying a new dish.